Everyone seems to be in agreement that numbers 3 and 4, saying hello to a student on a corridor, addressing your head teacher as sir or madam, demonstrate professional behaviour, which is absolutely correct.
So what is the impact of presenting yourself professionally, unprofessionally? So you can think about any of the 10 statements now. What would happen? How do you come across if you wear jeans and a t-shirt to school to teach, or you swear at a student, or you add a student on social media? How would you come across? How would it change the way you're perceived by your students, your colleagues, your head teacher, parents, or those professional ones that you've all got right? How does that change the perception? So any answers, feel free to write it straight into the chat box.